Lesson 3. The Gospels and the Paschal Mystery. In this lesson, we explore the New Testament, focusing on the Gospels and the Paschal Mystery. The New Testament writings were not a finished book handed down during Jesus' lifetime. Instead, they arose gradually from his life, apostolic preaching, and the needs of early Christian communities, before the Church ultimately recognized them as inspired. Catholic teaching affirms the historical truth of the Gospels, meaning they solidly hand on what Jesus actually did and taught, though presented through kerygmatic, communal, and evangelist-shaped witness. When scholars study Matthew, Mark, and Luke, they often encounter the synoptic problem, which addresses the difficulty of reconciling their shared material, wording, and order. Among these, Mark's Gospel is widely regarded as the earliest, featuring a brisk narrative focused on action, the cross, and costly discipleship. In contrast, the Gospel of John features extended discourses, profound I am sayings, and a high Christology that emphasizes Jesus' unique relationship with the Father. All the Gospels culminate in the Passion and Resurrection narratives. The Passion shows Jesus freely accepting suffering and death as the climax of obedient love to bring about salvation. During the Last Supper, Jesus linked his impending death to Passover and covenant imagery, giving his body and blood for the many. Following his death, the empty tomb and appearance traditions serve as apostolic witness that God truly raised Jesus. This resurrection is foundational. It is God's vindication of Jesus and the absolute ground of all Christian hope, mission, and new life.